of how MRI are made to be. First off, it starts with the workout, common effort, and training them. Tying the older monthly and putting the mom asleep. Then working to start making the MRI. First off, it dumps the shredded remains of the child into an empty MRI package, then given into worker 2 to deliver to worker 3.
There you go.
Thank you.
Then an accident occurs. The mother, who was put to sleep, woke up in the escape,
You killed
leading
him!
to and having to go to sleep permanently.
Oh no! No!
Now we're back on track. After worker 2 recovers, he goes to a machine, pour the cup of energy fluid into the bag, and it mixes with the MRA. Next, it's delivered to worker 3.
There you are.
Walks all the miles to deliver the package.
Thank you. Shake it up a bit, just in case if you haven't. Alright, thank you. Be on my way now.
Finally,
Chad,
it's
this is
delivered to
gonna be
the
so fire.
famous
The package
streamer
I've been
called
waiting for
Mount
so
Senate in the
Oh,
MRI turned into a mukbang.
the package.
Package delivery. Your MRE.
Oh god. Chad, let's open it.